Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Jeff from Mantiques Network, how you doing today? What we have here is a second of our installation of basically a kiddie ride, carnival ride that we have converted into a child's barber chair. So basically what we did is we took off the body, didn't have to do a lot of work on it, so it's a natural patina. You can see our model here, let's call her Chloe, is give you an idea how kids would sit in it, but it's really cool, just like the other one we have. If you guys are local in the LA area, we could probably deliver these for free. So if you are into vintage barbershop or want something for your store, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.